Okay, Max, I told you I'd show you a little bit about the 12/8 time in the Beatles song, Oh Darling. The first thing you're going to notice in the Beatles song, Oh Darling, is the key signature, the clef, the key signature, the dynamics, this is slowly, and the time signature. Okay, so treble clef, bass clef, we've got that. And it's in the key of A. So A, boom, two, three, four, three sharps. A, C sharp, E is the triad. Now the other thing too, here we're gonna learn a couple things. Don't lose any sleep over this, just know that it exists. There's a little symbol it's a whoop with a dot under it. It's called a fermata. That just means we're gonna hold it. So the first chord here is an E augmented. And you'll hear the difference between an E and an E augmented. This is an E augmented. And if you listen to Oh Darling, you'll kind of hear that. So let me just tell you the difference between an E and the E augmented is you're gonna take an E major triad, E, G sharp, B, and take the fifth, this is the fifth on the B, and just raise it. And you kind of hear, it almost leaves an anticipation. And then if you hear the song, you're gonna kind of go, oh, darling. So you're just kind of waiting for it, it's gonna get good. And the fermata, how long do you hold a fermata? Well, until the conductor tells you to stop holding the fermata. So this is an E augmented. Now, if you look at this, and I'll just touch on this, and again, don't lose any sleep over this one, but you're playing a B sharp. Now, a B sharp is a C. A B sharp and a C are called an inharmonic. Okay, that means they're the same exact sound. They're kind of the same note, but they got a different scoring. So why? It has to do with the key signature. So just take your B sharp, which is a C. Same thing as a here. You've got an E sharp. E sharp is an F. And we'll get double sharps and things like that, but I'm not gonna worry about that. So don't lose any sleep over, but just know if you're looking at this and you don't see something that makes sense, that's because that B sharp is a C. And the fifth is the B, so raise the fifth a semitone or a half a step, and that makes it augmented. But focus now on the timing. Okay, so E augmented, O, A, and then we're gonna go in 12/8 time. So how does 12/8 time differ from 6/8 time or 3/4 time? Think of 3/4 time we talked about before was a waltz. You've got a waltz, 3/4 time, da da 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. You feel like you're gonna dance a waltz. It's beautiful. 6/8 time is gonna have a similar feel, except you're not gonna hit the 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 the 3 time. It's gonna be just take it all the way out to 6. And 12/8. Double that again, take it up. It's still the same thing as the 8th note gets 1 count. So you're gonna find 12 counts per measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2. And you're gonna really augment and just accent the 1. So the pickup is on oh, boom, darling. So oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. That is the feel for Oh Darling. And if you keep that steady 12/8 time throughout there, you'll you always have something to anticipate. I mean, it's really a fun song to play. So we'll go into a little bit more detail on it next time, but just know the difference between 12/8 and 3/4 time.